Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman pong kaibigan nyo si Jake. Sa video natin ngayon, pag-usapan po natin ang isa sa mga grabing balita na basa natin online. A certain Nadia Montenegro named in Senate Marijuana Incident Report. Ano ba ito? Bakit medyo hindi ito maganda po sa kay Senator Robin Padilla, nadawit ang isa niyang staff, na former actress Nadia Montenegro na gumagamit ng marijuana sa inside sa isang comfort room sa Senate. Kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko at gusto nyo ang video na ito, paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. May isang report na natanggap si Senator Robin Padilla na isa niyang staff nagngangalang Nadia Montenegro. Alam naman natin ito ay former actress. Sikat po ito 1980s. Sa ngayon hindi na masyado nag-aartista, Staff niya sa kanyang opisina na allegedly, nahuli na gumagamit ng marijuana inside Senate building sa isang CR. May usok na marijuana sa Pasay City at na-discover po ng mga staff sa Senate, So ito po ay nakakabahala kasi bawal po sa isang, actually kahit hindi ka public official or employee, kahit sino man, sa loob ng opisina ng Senado or building gumamit ng drugs. Kahit sa ibang lugar din, using drugs is illegal, So tignan natin ang report ng Inquirer para natin. So dito nakasulat na a certain Nadia Montenegro, we are referring to the actress, sa incident report, alleged using marijuana inside the Senate building in Pasay City. According sa report, August 13, si Victor Patelo, a Senate security personnel stationed sa 5th floor, was approached by staff member of Senator Panfilo Lacson Tuesday to report unusual odor coming from the ladies' comfort room near the senator's extension offices. Okay, he claimed the odor resembled that of marijuana, stated that the person in the area at the time was alleged Miss Nadia Montenegro. Patelo said in the report. The male staff member asked me to go discreetly approach Miss Montenegro, which I did. When she walked past my post, as I was unable to leave my station, being the only one on the duty. According dito sa report, dininay po nga nagnanigarilyo daw inside sa ladies' comfort room or using marijuana for that matter, but acknowledged possessing a vape in her bag, which said could have produced unusual scent reported earlier by Senator Lacson staff, further said. Senator Robin Padilla's Chief of Staff, Attorney Rodolfo Philip Jurado, confirmed that former actress Nadia Montenegro is working in their office. According to Jurado, they have already asked Montenegro to explain in writing when a new report first came out about the alleged marijuana use in Senate. So, nag-request sila na mag-explain si Miss Nadia Montenegro in written. They issued another memo to Montenegro this Tuesday after they received the incident report submitted to Senate office of the Sergeant at Arms to the office or OSA Police Major General Mao Aplaza. Okay, let's first listen to our employees, see if it is true or not. Nagbigay po sila ng mga araw na makasubmit ng written explanation si Nadia Montenegro. For Jurado, however, it was a classic example of fake news by just looking at the actual facts based on the incident report compared to the story that came out in the media. Fake news daw. Medyo damage control po ito. Now, for the part of Aplaska, said his office has already submitted an investigative report on the Office of Senate President. So Aplaska indicate that in a Viper message that their report to the OSP was different from the incident report. Well, to make things clear guys, no, sa akin lang kung para ma-clear ang pangalan ni Miss Nadia Montenegro, mapag-drug test po siya, no? Kasi mahirap naman mag-deny, madali lang mag-deny kung magpapa-drug test. Mas klaro kung gumagamit siya or hindi. Yun lang po, no? Kasi bawal talaga. At kung mapatunayan na gumagamit siya ng marijuana, ay dapat tanggalin siya sa trabaho. Okay? Or pa-rehab siya kasi drug dependent po siya. Yun lang po guys. Paki-like lang po, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Please like, share, and huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. Ito naman po ang kaibigan nyo si Jake. Paalam. Love you all.